Concept 1.
Here you see a sculpture of two hemispheres, each with a hand-forked relief of a vortex on the outside. When visitors are passing by the center between the two hemispheres, they will see two alternately appearing and disappearing 3D vortex mirages. The following clip shows the actual setup of the mirage appearing and disappearing as we move by with the camera. Here, we place two beads inside the hemisphere instead of the vortexes. The actual mirage will be a real water vortex inside a glass sphere. They will be installed inside the hemispheres and projected out of the opening by a double parabolic mirror setup.
Concept 2.
Here you see a water feature where the public activates the water pattern by stepping on a foot pedal. The following clip shows different wave patterns that can be generated depending on the way the foot pedals are stepped on.